Do I pay you for stuff?
Sure.
I want to grab a couple things before they're gone. Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Hi, how are you?
Good morning, how are you?
Good. We're still pricing things, so if you see something without a price, just ask.
Okay, awesome, thank you.
Morning.
Don't sell any of these. I don't know about these clubs, but yeah, I've heard them.
Yeah, I want your shoes, Donna. Hi, how are you? Good, good.
How are you?
Yeah, that's
Bit of a line, Alfred. I'm sorry. No, he didn't.
You got it? Okay, I got the doors.
Because then getting it down, we're not gonna be able to get it down. A nice dresser for $15.
Hello. Ooh. Where you want it?
It's brand new, man. I never used it. What?
Oh, this right here?
Yeah. I don't think I ever got it out of the box.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Do I pay you for stuff?
Sure.
I want to grab a couple things before they're gone.
What would you like?
The globe and this Blu-ray system here.
Okay,
So
20.
there's
Thanks.
And I'll grab those in a second. I want to keep
Okay,
looking around.
sure.
Thank you.
Yep.
Your globe is gone. He wanted your globe.
Yeah,
Hey Terry, did you decide
That's pretty
you
cool.
wanted this
Thank you for taking that.
for us to hold off on this? What do you think? Hold off on it?
I hate to hold on to things unnecessarily, but
That typewriter.
I'm gonna grab that too.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yep, you're Terry. You're Kim.
Mom,
Yes, I carried that to school.
this is one of my favorite things. You want one of these? He said no.
Is there more coming out? Should I wait around or is that it?
I think that is, well, we've got a couple more things, but things that are in the garage here.
Oh, okay.
Golf clubs and like
kitchen stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll look in here real fast. Then.
Yeah. Go right ahead. Yes. Well, hopefully not.
I heard they sold your globe. Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah. What else from in here needs to go out?
Oh, that's the front of that.
Yeah.
Okay. Nothing, I'm just grabbing off the table and chair. What about this?
I don't even remember what size those are. Tell you the truth.
Are they ski boots?
They're ski boots.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
They fit the bindings that are on the skis.
Oh, okay.
So they snap in. So these things, they snap into the bindings and lock in like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense. How much are you asking on them?
I don't remember.
Harry.
I'm not in charge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. He was asking about the
What they said?
What did you want? Were you interested in?
I've not really looked through them yet, but just, I mean, yeah, like on either set, both sets.
Well, I'd say $10 for the $10 a set. So
It's like 20 bucks.
yeah, $20 if you want the everything.
Okay, cool.
So,
Thank you very much. I'm gonna look at them for a second.
There's glasses.
That's interesting.
Glasses, you can keep those with them. Huh? Yeah, the skis. Yeah, and there's actually there's goggles and stuff in here too. So
All right, that's all interesting enough. I'll buy it.
you're gonna get the whole shebang.
Yeah, might as well.
All right,
All right. And then you?
$20. Hey,
All right, I'm gonna start loading stuff up. Thank you very much.
cool. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You can take them both. Yeah.
Yep.
Huh? You can get her now.
Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, I have like 3 trips to make, so thank you. Oh, shoot, I'm sorry.
You're all right. Oh my gosh, he's taking all that. Don't hurt yourself now.
Oh, I won't. Yeah, I bought all 3 of those right there too.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
So vintage stuff?
Yeah, pretty cool stuff.
Yeah. We got a lot of vintage. Yeah, that's the one. Look, now, this is a special dollar because this is money to burn.
Are you right there?
See there? Yeah, got money to burn. It's already burnt, so you got this one and one that you can make. Chris! How's it going?
What's up, buddy?
Jackson, you getting huge. Doing good? Doing good. Doing dandy? Doing good.
Here, let me show you that way.
Yeah, that's a full too. Yeah. Good.
Um,
Oh, okay. You gotta remember, I got the pool now. Got all the play toys and the goggles and, you know, all that stuff.
put all that. That's why we have all this stuff.
That's what I'm saying.
That's why I'm
The
picking
little red
it up.
wagon.
Okay.
You know?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, with your time.
Alright guys, we are back in the garage. That was an absolutely amazing garage sale. I normally shy away from the bigger stuff. I'm really glad I didn't this time because pretty much everything I picked up was big. And since it's so big, it's kind of hard to spread everything out, but let me try to figure out a way to show you everything we picked up. Also, sorry if you hear that cricket out here. Cannot locate the little bugger. So I paid $42 for everything that I picked up. This typewriter was $2. It is a Brother Cassette Correcto Writer 1. These don't necessarily go for a whole lot of money. I've seen them go for as low as like 20 plus shipping, but I've also seen them go for as high as 85 plus shipping. I thought it was beautiful. I love the blue color, and I'm gonna try to get top dollar out of it, but I just thought it was a really cool find for $2. Try to take a walk over here. It's kind of crowded, so bear with me. This is probably one of my favorite garage sale finds ever. It's a world classic 16-inch globe. I could not believe they were only asking $5 for this, and I was even more shocked that they were surprised that I wanted to buy it for $5. I mean, it's in absolutely perfect condition. There's some dust on the bottom. It needs polished, but it is beautiful. We'll probably keep this because we've been wanting a nice globe for the house. But if I were to sell it, these sell on eBay for between $200 and $350 in worse condition than this. A lot of times you'll see a plaque from like a university on them. This one has Washington State University on it, but an absolutely amazing piece for $5. Super happy that I found this. Moving right along, I found this LG BH5140S Smart 3D Blu-ray home theater. Brand new in the package. The only thing that's been opened is the user manual, and I just put it back in the bag. It was $15, and I have seen these go on eBay recently in new condition for up to $450. I've seen just the used Blu-ray player by itself sell for between $100 and 160 bucks. So to find one new open box like this for $15 is an absolute find. I think conservatively, realistically, I could get between $250 and $300 for this Blu-ray system. Absolutely amazing. I feel like the coolest thing I picked up was this vintage ski equipment. There's the skis and the poles and everything right there. I bought it without even opening up the skis. Vintage skis can be really hit or miss as far as value goes, but they wanted 10 bucks for each set. So one bag plus a set of skis for 10 bucks. And likewise over here, so 20 bucks for everything. And when I saw her pulling out the accessories, I just tried to jump on it as quickly as possible. For instance, inside this bag, of course, you have the boots. There's what this set looks like right here. And again, this is all vintage, so that's pretty cool. So the boots are in great shape. There were also some accessories in there. There was 2 bandanas, and inside each bandana was a set of goggles. This is a vintage set of Carrera goggles in pretty good condition. I think realistically these are probably $20 on their own, so that's pretty cool. Inside this bandana is a set of, I don't know, is that CB Sapporo goggles. I think these are also probably a $20 to $30 set of goggles right here. Very good condition on these. And what's surprising, in case you don't know, here's a little bolo for you. Even these bandanas are valuable. This is a vintage made in the USA Color Fast bandana. Now, it's not like an elephant bandana. Definitely look out for elephant bandanas, but even this bandana is probably worth 15 bucks on its own. Likewise, this is a G Monaco ski bandana right here. Very, very nice condition. And these have sold recently for about $25 plus shipping just on this bandana right here. So between these 2 bandanas, I mean, we've doubled our money on this ski lot and pretty much paid for everything that we bought today, which is pretty crazy. Also, inside one of the boots was a vintage pair of Martin Snowball aviator sunglasses. I couldn't find this exact pair right here, but I saw some similar Martin sunglasses meant for skiing sell for between $65 and like $85. So that's pretty crazy to think that just this little extra accessory is going to make that much money. Over in this bag, there's a lot more stuff. For instance, here is another set of goggles. These are solar goggles, still in the box with an extra shield in there, even with the receipt from, I think, 1984. But I've seen these goggles right here in much worse condition. Like, the foam is perfect on these, and I've seen these sell recently for about, I think, 45 or 50 bucks, and there's some asking right now for around 85 or 90. So that is a great little find that was just tucked away inside the bag. A few more odds and ends. Here's a vintage Eli Lilly ski cap, which is kind of cool. Their house was right near the old Eli Lilly factory, so pretty neat. Some old socks. I don't think you can sell socks, but it's kind of cool that they're old. I think there's 2 or 3 pairs in there. Some earmuffs. I'm sure those will be garbage. Here is a vintage fanny pack made in the USA by a company called Athlon. So that's pretty neat right there. It's probably a a $15 fanny pack at least. Some vintage Hot Fingers gloves. I've seen these sell recently for about 30 bucks for a vintage pair like this. Some more socks. And then these boots in here are Salomon, and some of the foam, like the foam coating is coming off of these. I don't know how much that'll hurt the value. I'll try to clean it off as much as possible, but I see some active listings on this SX70 model for about $80 for the pair. I'm not sure if I'll get that, but it does definitely give me hope. That is all of it. Now, like I said, I didn't necessarily open the skis themselves while I was there. I did when I got home, and they're both complete with bindings and poles. This is an old set of, is it Rossignol? And the bindings are Tyrolia 220s. I see an active comp on eBay for this exact setup, just the skis and the bindings, and they're asking $491 for them. I don't see any sold, but I don't see any unsold either. So I don't know if this is a rare setup, if it's actually worth that much or not, or if they're just kind of shooting for the moon. But I think worst case, I can take off the bindings from both pairs, sell them separately, sell the poles separately, and then if the skis themselves have any value, you know, definitely sell those, but those will be the hardest thing to ship, obviously. And then when it's all said and done, I don't see any reason that I couldn't sell all of these bags, all of these vintage bags, for 20 to 30 bucks a piece. So at the end of the day, it could end up being pretty amazing. Hopefully I didn't ramble on too long. I'm just pretty excited about this buy. I need to get through it because it takes up a lot of room. So as always, thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya, bye. When they hear that cha-ching, and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.